Okay, so now I guess what we can do in part 3 of this series is we're going to build out the backend. We're going to build out the database, not just the backend, but just the database portion. So what can we, I guess, user authentication, create some usernames and actually sign in? Sure. So we'll start by make me a page that will be seen once a user logs in. Update app.js. Update all relevant parts of this app. Here's an example how you create a page for your app that will be displayed after the user logs in. Have a nav bar, okay. Solve for the deal sifter. Okay, dashboard, my profile, settings, log out. All right. Welcome to your dashboard. Okay. Include Bootstrap, JS, and jQuery. Easy enough. But what file is this? What's the name? This is like a title, the deal sifter dashboard. No, I don't want the complete code. Okay. Oh, okay, so it really was just at the end there. This is complete for the dashboard page. This page assumes that the user has successfully logged in, has been authenticated. The navigation menu at the top of this page is just a placeholder and will need to be uploaded. What file name should I use for this dashboard page? Dashboard.html. Okay, so we're going to make dashboard.html, new file, and grab this, put it in there, and we'll grab this, put it at the end, finish, dashboard.html. Okay, so I say, so from the index does the app.js file need to be updated given that we've now created this dashboard page? Yes, since we've added a new page to our application, we need to update the routing logic in app.js to handle this request for a new page. Interesting. I think this is wrong, but maybe not. Let's try it. See if anything breaks. Okay, that looks okay. I wonder if I can just go. Cannot get that. In the public directory. Okay, so it needs to go in the public directory. Really? Okay, public gets dashboard.html and index.html. Does it though? I mean, that seems to work okay. I don't think that's right. It really wants me to put dashboard in public. All right. Ensure that you're... Try restarting your server. Okay, we'll try that. All right. That's probably it, actually. Okay, oddly that's not working now. Now you have to go to public. Error event. Oh, shoot. So when I run that error event, address already in use. Okay, so I'm going to say when I restarted my server, I got this error. Okay, I can do another. Okay, we'll try port 301 in app.js. Save it. See if that runs. Okay, so that works now. Hey, here's our dashboard. Easy. That's great. So this is our dashboard, and we're moving right along. So hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. This is part 3. It's over. We got somewhere. So thank you so much. See you in the next one.